How to make Facebook Reels. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook Reels. Without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Create a Reel. On your Facebook app, tap the plus icon at the upper right section, then tap Reel. If you are in a Facebook page account, the plus icon might be placed differently. Step 2. Edit Reel. From there, you can create your reel with many options such as the camera, templates, effects, and green screen. You can also select photos or videos from your gallery to put in your reel. To get started with your reel, select the camera option and tap the record button. To stop recording, tap the button again. You can also record a video by holding the record button to start it, then automatically end the recording when you lift the finger from the button. After recording as much videos as you want, you can either delete your record or tap Next to proceed with the next part of editing. Tap Edit Reel on the lower left corner. From there, you can cut the video, add audio, and many more. You can also tap Add so you can add more clips from your gallery or record a new video with your camera. Once you're all done with editing your reel, you can still choose to add audio, text, effects, and stickers for some final touches. Once you're all set, tap the next button so you can share it. And that's it! We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!